Okay, so I'm going to compress the video. It is almost at maximum load, and that's the noise. And now let's stop the processor's fan. So half of the noise is coming from the CPU fan, and the other half from the power supply unit fan. Okay, so I removed this large fan from the power supply unit. It's already taken apart, the power supply unit, and it was connected to that white plug. It had a connector, 2-pin connector. I could use this one also, but since it has a connector, I'm going to use another one, which I used for cooling the graphics card itself from the side. And that one is powered from this Molex connector. So one of the wire is for lighting, up here it has an LED, and the other two are for this fan. And of course I'm going to use the red and black because that's 5 volts, and the yellow and black it's 12 volts, and that will be used for the LED. Okay, so this will be added somehow here into the power supply unit. Okay, now the computer is compressing a video again. CPU usage is almost 100%, and the PC is a little bit quieter. This fan is not too quiet, but the major problem is the CPU. Ticky sound is coming from here. So now the CPU fan is the loudest. And this one has a heatsink here, and I can keep my hand on it, it's not too hot. Okay, now press delete on the keyboard to enter BIOS while you're restarting your computer. And from here we can reduce the speed and the sound of the CPU fan also. So up here go to the easy mode. This is the easy mode, and that's the advanced mode using F7. Okay, and come here to fan info, the mouse, fan info, and that's the graph for the temperature and for the RPM of the CPU fan or pump. So here on the first one, let's click on this wheel to customize it. Okay, and CPU 1 is being controlled by the pulse width modulation. Okay, so just drag these down, all of them almost, down to 0 RPM. It will still spin, it's not stopping. And drag that one to the right. So only when the temperature will get to around 84 degrees Celsius, only then it will go up to a certain RPM. Okay, so after that modification, close it with this X. That's the new graph. So it will spin at a minimum RPM, and then it will increase, and then as it cools it will instantly cut off. It's still spinning, it's not totally stopped. Even now it's spinning. It started. Okay, so let's close this one also. It says that you have not made any changes to the BIOS, but that's not exactly true. We modified the speed. Okay, so let's enter Windows. And now here in Windows, if I click on render, then it is being rendered. And the CPU fan is still silent. The RPM is not higher yet. And only now it increased the speed. And it already reduced it. 17%. It's still working, so it should increase the RPM. Performance 79%. Yes, now the RPM is increased. So it has to cool itself, it cannot remain hot. It's at 50%, and the RPM again dropped. Now it increases again. So from time to time the speed drops, it's silent, it goes up and then it's silent again and so on. It did not finish rendering, and let's see if it will drop again. It's done. And the CPU fan is much silent right now.